Today's the day for cakes galore, to fill my shop and much, much more. He gathered his tools all shiny and new, mixing bowls, spoons, and a rolling pin too. I'll start with the batter, so fluffy and light, and bake my cakes till they're golden and bright. In went the sugar, the eggs, and the cream. He stirred and he twirled like a happy dream. Round cakes, tall cakes, cupcakes too. I'll bake them all, there's so much to do. The oven was warm, the cakes rose high. The scent of sweet treats filled the sky. Fox peeked inside, oh they look just right. Soon they'll be ready to share delight. Fox added frosting, both pink and blue, sprinkles and cherries, a magical view. My cakes are ready, come take a peek. Each one is special, so tasty, so unique. The village gathered at Fox's door to see his cakes and ask for more. Fox, your cakes are the best, it's true. We'll celebrate this day thanks to you.